back to another adventure. Super excited today. We're on one of the most beautiful rivers in the country, in my opinion anyways, and that is the Buffalo River. We're doing a short little 6-mile float today. We're going from Baker Ford to Gilbert, and it's a beautiful stretch. It's a high pressured area, so I'm not sure if the fishing is going to be great today, but it's going to be more of a just spending time with my special guest, my beautiful wife. And we're just going to do a recreational float more than anything and just kind of explore the Buffalo, look at all the pretty scenery and the bluffs and all that. Now, of course, I did bring some fishing lures. I got the Whopper Plopper on, and then I have a jig on my other pole, and that's the only 2 baits I'm going to stick with all day. So if I don't get a bite on those, then we'll just call it a day. So anyways, we're going to get started. We got 6 miles to go. We just put in, and there's about 20 kayakers that went in front of us already. So it's going to be sweet. All right, well, we'll meet you downstream. Woo! Whole lot of fish on. Chris, hey, up here. Fish on. Smallmouth. Smallmouth. On the Whopper. Oh, look at all those fish. So stuff like that, right for the shoals, is where we'll fish at mainly. Then we'll pass all the big holes to save time. Do what? Ah, on the Friday. Oh, there's fish. Fish on. Little micro smallmouth. That's the bait fish today. Cast over there, there'll be more. Little dink. Fish on. Oh, he came off. That was a 12-inch one. Fish on. Fish on. It's a nice one. Yeah. Not bad, not huge, but bigger than they have been. Ah, there's fish. Oh.